men, whatever think, say, or do, sometimes not fulfilled. The 4-way test, because there are some situations and compulsion occurs. Therefore, man in real not fulfill all that what he thinks, say, or do. The thing we think, say, or do, sometimes truth and sometimes not. For instance, sometimes we think about fairies, but in real fairies does not exist. Sometimes our politicians promise us to fulfill their projects, but usually most of them get truth. The second way, that is it fair to all concerned, depends upon situations of practical life. Companies make some rules and regulations which are fair to all people that work in a company. In schools, when teachers say something and give any advice, it is not for a one child, but for all children that concern to the class. Third way depends upon the relation. For example,